Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to remove Lemon8 from TikTok. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So as we know that Lemon8 is kind of similar to Instagram and Pinterest, so it is also powered by the TikTok itself. And in Lemon8 we can find the aesthetic vlog, photos, videos about food, travel, wellness and many more. And if you like those aesthetic features, you can just use Lemon8 app and make sure that Lemon8 app is available in your region. If not, then you can just use the VPN method and use it in your own rigs. And after downloading the Lemon8 app, you will be connected to Lemon8 from TikTok. And to remove Lemon8 from TikTok, you just need to follow a few steps. Like you just need to open TikTok and go to your profile and tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select the settings and privacy. After that, security and login, and tap apps and website, and under the security section, and you can just find the Lemon8 in the list of connected apps and tap remove section to unlike Lemon8 from TikTok. So that's how you can just unlike or remove Lemon8 from TikTok if connected. So you can also remove Lemon8 link from your TikTok bio if added, and by log out or delete Lemon8 option. Or if you no longer want to use Lemon8, you can log out or delete your Lemon8 account from your Lemon8 app settings. And Lemon8 app settings might not have direct account deletion method, so you can just visit to their website and contact with them, their help center, or you can just direct call to their call center and remove your account. And after these steps, Lemon8 will no longer be linked to your account. So let me know if you need more help in our comment section below. That's it. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you next video.